Hello friends, this is Hi5 trainer. In this video we'll be seeing how to make yummy prawns curry. But before we go into the video, please subscribe as I've already made many cooking related videos on our channel and I'll continue making more. Now let's go into the video. So firstly, into a pan add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 large onion cut into small pieces. After the onions have changed color lightly, add 3 green chilies cut into long slices like this and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. After the raw smell fades from the ginger garlic paste, add 1 large tomato cut into small pieces. Now that the tomato is slightly fried, add 1 teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt to your taste. After the tomatoes are half cooked, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder. After mixing them in, add 1/4 cup of water. Now that the tomatoes are all cooked, add 300 grams of shellless prawns. So make sure they're 300 after you take the shells out. Now mix it in gently. And let the prawns cook slightly. After about 5 minutes, add 1 cup of coconut milk. After mixing the coconut milk in, put a lid on it and let it cook for 10 minutes on a low flame. Add half a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, After mixing that in, add 1 tablespoon of Coriander Leaves, and yummy prawns curry is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to get notified whenever I upload another video.